Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and I'm here at Community Nissan in Bloomington, Indiana, and you can visit them at communitynissan.net. And I'm inside this absolutely stunning 2018 Nissan Maxima S. So it's kind of a base level, but it's in this really nice carnelian red. And overall, I really like the car. I like how, even as a base model, it's pretty well loaded out with a lot of the features that you'd expect. Navigation, cruise control, dual zone climate control, 8-inch touchscreen display, Bluetooth, all the goodies that you'd expect. But there's one thing in this car that kind of annoys me and almost infuriates me, and that's the folding back seats. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so we're looking at the rear seats. They are a 60-40 split folding seat back, and they have kind of a bucket seat design, as you can see. But there's no way to fold the seats from inside the car. So what do you have to do? Well, you have to walk back, get the trunk open, pull these little straps here, and then walk back over to the car, and then you can fold it down. I can't understand why there is not a release lever inside the car for the seat backs. And sometimes what's really annoying is if you pull the strap and it pulls back like that, then the seat won't latch or won't unlatch, and you have to go back again, pull it again, and then fold it. So that's the one thing that really annoys me on the Nissan Maxima. Alright, and if you liked that video and would like to see more like that, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.